Okay, so wide open throttle, and I'm still pegged to the floor, and you guys can see that it is not accelerating at all. So we have a customer here that we did a motor in. This is a 2018 EcoBoost Mustang. As you guys know, I normally don't work on American cars unless it's the EcoBoost platform. So we put a new motor in this one. This one threw a rod out the side of the block, unfortunately for him. And so, and it has been a few months. So now this car has like a very strange problem, and not really that strange. I actually know what the problem is, but I want to show you guys the symptoms. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing down the road, and what happens is you will go to accelerate and the car will not accelerate anymore. So all right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go wide open throttle, and you see I'm still pegged on the throttle and the car is slowing down. It's like it releases the throttle, and like I said, I already know what the problem is, so we're gonna go ahead and turn around, and I'm going to do that one more time just so you guys can see it. Okay, so wide open throttle, and I'm still pegged to the floor, and you guys can see that it is not accelerating at all. But if you drive it real slow, you can kind of limp it to pick up some speed. So right now my throttle position hasn't really changed. All right, so I'm back at the shop, and as you guys can see that the car runs really goofy, but here's the number one thing you need to check. See what's going on here? Brake lights are staying on. So because the brake lights are staying on, the car thinks that there's something wrong with the drive-by-wire, and you're trying to hit the brakes, and then it cuts the throttle. So what to check? So if you're having that issue, what you're going to want to check, and I can tell you that this piece is missing because I see it on the ground already. So this is the brake pedal, and if you reach your hand up, there's a little area right here. You see this large white piece? That is the brake switch. There's supposed to be a pad that goes there to push it. And so that pad is actually broken into pieces right here. See it? Now the crazy thing is that I struggled to find this from the dealer, and they couldn't even look it up. So I ended up having to find it on my own. And so here's the part number. It's Mike Romeo 3 Zulu 7583 Alpha, and I paid $4 for this guy. So that's all it is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then we'll test drive it again. So it took me 30 seconds to get that sucker installed, and let's check here. Brake lights are off. So now we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive and see if it does it again, but I'm pretty sure the problem is going to be gone. So as you can see, it accelerates normal. Just a minute ago, as you guys saw on the return trip, I couldn't even nail it. I couldn't even go wide open throttle, or I couldn't even get it to cruise really without it acting up. But as you can see right now, it's accelerating perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, head back to the shop. We're gonna do a wide open throttle pull and then test it again. All right, let's nail it. As you can see, it was totally fine. Took it all the way up to 80 miles an hour, and it tests totally good. So $4 fix.